Here's your ball back. Oh no! Don't worry, I'll get it. Our humans are so clumsy. Oh no!
How come no one wants to take my picture? You're probably not endangered enough. Oh, later. Oh.
What's your name?
I think it's Good Boy.
Hey, that's my name too.
Same here. Same. Hey, did someone call me? Get away, rat, you carrier of disease! I also carry presents. Aww. God damn it, yep, it's anthrax. Agent Q, here's your neuralizer. Thanks, Dad. Thanks, sir.
Oh no, looks like I have to go.
But it's Monopoly Monday.
Sorry, babe. Gotham needs me.
I can't keep doing this, Bruce.
Nice.
I think you should quit drinking. It's the beer that is addicted to me. Oh no, it's back! No, stop! Help! Just keep on walking, sir. I can't. I'm stuck in a wheelchair, you jerk. I just meant there's nothing to see here. I'm also blind, you insensitive prick. Get lost, fatty. I'm on fire! Huh? Huh? Oh, wow. Can I take your picture? That didn't come out too good. Let's try more. Can you stand up straighter? Huh? Waiter! There is a sad man in my soup. Sir, that's just your reflection. Oh. When will my reflection show who I am inside? Right now.